Hello, my sweetheart Santa. Welcome to your favorite Smiling Santa. We have already learned article A and the. Click the I button and check out the videos. Today, we will learn some more interesting facts about the articles. I gave him a ball, but he lost the ball. At first, I used a, and then a ball became the ball. But the noun is the same, ball. When I am referring to the ball for the first time, I use a ball, a random ball. I gave him a ball, but he lost the ball. Now, when I am referring to the ball, I am referring to this particular ball. That is, I talk about a ball first. When I talk about the ball for the second time, it means I am referring to the same ball, that specific or particular ball. So, I use the here. Whenever we refer to a noun for the second time, the will come before it, because we are specifying that it is the same noun that we have used in the first place. So, a ball means any ball. But in the second sentence, we are specifying that he lost the particular ball that I gave him. That ball was not a random ball anymore. I saw a movie last night. The movie is based on a real life incident. At first, I used a, and then I used the. But the noun is the same. It is movie. When I am referring to the movie for the first time, I use a. I saw a movie. The movie is based on a real life incident. Now, when I am referring to the movie, I am referring to this particular movie. That is, I talk about a movie first. When I talk about the movie for the second time, it means I am referring to the same movie, that specific or particular movie. So, I use the here. Whenever we refer to a noun for the second time, the will come before it, because we are specifying that it is the same noun that we have used in the first place. So, a movie means any movie. But in the second sentence, we are specifying, pinpointing towards a movie. The particular movie is based on a real life incident. I have a dress. The dress is blue in color. I have a dress means I have any dress. It could be any dress. But when I'm talking about the dress for the second time, I'm referring to this particular dress, not some other dress. So, the dress is blue in color. That particular dress which I have is blue in color. I am specifying, I am pinpointing towards a dress. So, the dress is blue in color. When I refer to something for the second time, I use the to indicate it is the same thing I am talking about, or that specific or particular person, thing, animal or object I am talking about. I am watching a movie. The movie that I am watching is very interesting. In the second sentence, the movie is referring to the same movie that I have mentioned earlier. So when I say I am watching a movie or refer to any movie, it is referring to a movie in general, not any particular movie. But when I say the movie that I am watching is very interesting, the is referring to a particular movie about the movie I have mentioned in the first sentence. Hence, we are referring to a specific movie. So, a is an indefinite article, but the is a definite article. I ate an orange jelly. The orange that Mama gave me was very sweet. I ate an orange jelly. An refers to any orange, an orange in general, not any particular orange, but the refers to a particular orange, to a specific orange, the orange which was given to me. Hence, the is a definite article and an is an indefinite article. So what is definite article? We use definite article with either singular or plural, countable or uncountable nouns when the noun referred to is specific. The is the only specific article in the English language. So, what is the difference between a definite article and an indefinite article? A definite article refers to a specific noun, whereas an indefinite article refers to a general or non-specific noun. The definite article is used for both countable, singular and plural and uncountable nouns, whereas the indefinite article is used with singular, countable nouns. The is a definite article, whereas a and an are indefinite articles. The girl is playing. So here, the is referring to a particular singular noun, whereas the girls are playing. Here, the is referring to a particular plural noun, girls. Here we see use of the with countable nouns. The water of the Arctic Ocean is freezing. Water is an uncountable noun. Please return the money I lent you last year. Money is an uncountable noun. Thank you for your excellent advice. We know that advice is an uncountable noun. And when I use the, I'm referring to a specific uncountable noun. So here we are seeing the use of the with an uncountable noun. Where else we should use the? Let's see. Did you practice the piano this morning? The piano refers to a musical instrument in general. London stands on the Thames. When the Ganges floods, it causes considerable damage. The Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world. The Thames, the Ganges, the Pacific Ocean. We are referring to the name of the rivers, seas or oceans. The British are industrious, refers to the people of England as a nation. The Egyptians, when we are referring to nationalities. The is mandatory before a thing which is only one of a kind in the universe. The moon is shining tonight. The earth is moving around the sun. The sun, the earth, the sky. We are talking about a particular unique object. The Himalayas, when we are referring to names of mountains. The president made an address to the nation. The president when we are referring to an important post. The Quran, the Gita, the Bible. We are referring to names of holy books. The Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower, when we are referring to names of monuments. The Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Iliad, when we refer to epic books. The equator, the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, the latitude, the longitude, when we refer to imaginary geographical lines. Dash Earth is moving around dash Sun. Now here, Earth is referring to something in specific. Hence, we will use the definite article the. So we have the Earth is moving around dash Sun. Now Sun is also a specific sun. We are talking about a particular unique object. Hence, we will say the Earth is moving around the Sun. So we must use the before names of oceans, gulfs, seas and rivers. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Coral Sea, the Timor Sea, the Persian Gulf, the Nile, the Murray River, the Darling River. Name of countries with United States or islands. The United States of America, the USA, the UK, the UAE, the Philippines, etc. Names of Great Lakes, the Great Lakes, the African Great Lakes. Names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes, etc. Names of a group of islands, the West Indies, the Andamans, etc. But why we should use article the before them? We will learn that in the next video. Keep watching. So today's session was fun. Learning is fun with your own Smiling Santa. Smiling Santa loves you. You also show your love and like the video and say Happy Smiling!